Welcome to the iGaming channel, your go-to source for iGaming digital marketing strategies. Today's program, we're looking at content marketing in iGaming and 5 content ideas to attract players. Not only to attract them, but also to build trust, authority, and long-term engagement with your players. So the first type of content that always works well is educational guides and tutorials. This being a perfect example for my business, which is an iGaming digital marketing agency. So something that's evergreen, educational content. So in the world of iGaming, that could be how to play Texas Hold'em, understanding blackjack strategy, understanding sports betting odds, a beginner's guide to online slots. That's a sort of useful information that players will find valuable, and you can put that into various different formats, like a blog post, a video, a downloadable PDF. That's the type of content that builds authority and SEO traffic. Secondly, the best type of content in iGaming is game reviews. They're essential if you're promoting slots, poker rooms, or sports books. The more thorough the review, the more information it has, the more likely it is to convert. Think about reviewing popular games like Starburst and Book of Dead, or new sportsbook features or big events that are coming up. And think about including gameplay footage, bonus features, volatility ratings. Think of your content as the TripAdvisor of iGaming if you're an affiliate. And players really love insider info before they risk their money. The third type of content that works really well is promotions and bonus explainers. So rather than just a short kind of couple of words with the terms and conditions and what the bonus is, break down that welcome offer, talk about the free spins, the no deposit bonuses, and talk about the terms clearly, because transparency builds trust. So don't just list the offers, think about explaining them, what the wagering requirements mean, and who that bonus suits best. Fourthly, SEO blog content and news commentary works really well. So keep your audience informed with relevant news and evergreen blog content. So other trends like UK Gambling Commission regulatory updates, new slot game releases, or big events in the world of sports betting. And think about mixing high volume keywords with your unique brand voice and your tone of voice and how you engage with your players. This content not only attracts organic customers, but it really positions your brand as a go-to resource, so people keep coming back. And fifthly, as a final really effective type of content marketing in iGaming, talk about player stories and testimonials. So big winners, big bets, competitions, slots, tournaments, that type of thing. Anything that you can talk about that has players engaged will always be high quality content. So I'll put all of the description in the description below, all of the details of my digital marketing agency, the Casino Marketing Shop. We specialize in SEO, pay-per-click, content marketing, creative design, TV advertising, sports sponsorship, those type of digital marketing services for casinos, sportsbooks, poker, and bingo rooms. I hope you enjoyed. Do please follow us for more interesting digital marketing strategy videos and videos with business leaders in iGaming. Thanks again for watching.